Hello friends, in this lecture we will see next operation from the turning, and that is finish turn prime, and these two options are the new in this latest version, and we use this prime turning for finishing operation, and this is very fast method, and we use Sandvik tool for this. So I have already added two tools, prime A and B. B is specially for the roughing and A is used for roughing and finishing both. So click this, and these two operations we use for all type of turning, means horizontal turning or vertical lathe we can use, and we can use multitasking machine, we can use this operation. So select this and okay, and see, this is the cutting area. Now I'm going to define, okay, see, this is the limit, and okay, and let's generate and see, here is the material. So I want to omit this reversal and generate. So this will come. Now I have chosen this omit reversal, and this is the toolpath. Verify this, okay, and click. We can check it in 3D. Click OK. So this is a finish turn prime option, and especially for high speed machining we use these two options.